Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have two items to unbox. It's a special additional unboxing. I hope you enjoy this. My channel is not yet monetized, so I would really appreciate if you're enjoying my content, please subscribe. It's completely free and it really helps me out. So the first thing I would like to unbox is something from my husband. I asked him that, if he struggles to find, gift ideas for me, just go to the local Chanel boutique, beauty boutique, and pick up anything from there. I would just like anything from that store. You can't go wrong. And again, this is what he's done this time. He was actually telling me that he was trying to get a different gift set that he saw on the online website, but when he went into the store to try to make that purchase, they were telling him that that's an online only. So the sales associate there assisted him to get something of a similar in nature, and this is what he got: the Coco Mademoiselle gift set. That comes with a cotton pouch. It's a beautiful cotton pouch. They're very soft and simple, beige gold in color with the Chanel branding on the zipper. Very smooth zipper there, and you have three items in there. One is the Chanel ballerina nail polish. It's exactly the same as what I'm wearing today. It's been my favorite nail polish, something that can be work appropriate, as it really is quite a natural pink finishing. And the other one that's in there is the Coco lip balm in the transparent color, so hydrating lip balm. I guess this whole set has a very ballerina simple feel to it, and the bottle of perfume you get is a 50 milliliters Coco Mademoiselle Eau de Parfum. Now, my husband didn't even realize there's a bottle of perfume in there, and so when I unboxed this gift in front of him, the first time round, he was very surprised, and he remembered the bottle. He's like, "Oh, this is what I got you last Christmas as well." And yeah, I have enough Coco Mademoiselle perfume to last me for quite a long while, I would say, but I'm still loving that scent. So absolutely, this gift set really hits the spot for me. Everything in it I will make good use out of. Now, the pouch is made in China, and it is not something that you should be putting into the wash. I'm assuming it's because it's padded, so it's got filling inside. So if you were to put it in the wash, it's probably going to be difficult for it to dry, and it might end up molding, which is not what you want. So yeah, I think the pouch is actually very well made. To be honest, I think this pouch is made better than the Christmas gifts that I've unboxed. In another video, I'll leave a link on the screen there if you haven't seen that. And this pouch, you can actually use it as a jewelry pouch as well, because of how softly it's padded and it's double-sided. You can just then tie a knot with the strings. Very much a ballerina type of I guess feel to this gift set, which makes sense because I think that's the whole vibe that is trying to give with the very neutral color, pink ballerina nail polish, and just a hydrating lip balm, and a nice fragrance. Yeah, so and certainly you can use the pouch as a perfume carry pouch if you were to bring perfume, especially on your travel, to protect the glass bottle. Yeah, very, very beautiful. Love this pouch. And by the way, Hermes silver. Look how shiny it is still after I've been, wearing it very regularly for many months now. Beautiful, beautiful. If you haven't seen that unboxing video, I'll leave a link. Yeah, so this pouch I actually was thinking of purchasing myself when it was first launched. I don't think there's any stock left on the online website in Australia. I last checked on the Chanel website, but it's still available in, I think, in department stores like Maya and David Jones, and certainly I think it's still available in physical boutiques, leftover stock. Now, the next one is beautiful. You can see the lion head special packaging on the paper bag. It is the Chanel fine jewellery line. The sales tells me that it's only, this paper bag is only used when you purchase fine jewellery. Such a beautiful Christmas packaging from Chanel Fashion Boutique. I have to say, I was getting very much jealous of everyone unboxing, such beautiful Christmas packaging on YouTube video. That's kind of prompted me to check out the fashion store when I was just going out with my family before the Christmas public holidays. I just, it was before dinner. It was just before the closing time of the Chanel boutique in Sydney, and I just thought, look, why not? I'll just go in and see what's available. Maybe purchase something so that I can have this Christmas special ribbon and the ribbon charm. You can even just make it into like a bracelet or a fashion accessory, really. Very versatile, lovely tweed type of ribbon, fabric ribbon. And yes, I just walked into the store. I know it sounds crazy that I'm just buying something for the packaging, but that's how much I love luxury packaging. And I have to say that's one of the main reasons why I buy luxury items. Apart from hopefully that they have good designs and good quality. Yeah, the packaging, I'm a sucker for packaging. It is my passion. It is, something that really draws me in when purchasing items. So yeah, look, very beautiful. But back to what I, looked at in store. I was actually initially trying to find another pair of sunglasses. I've still got only one pair of non-prescription sunglasses, and that's my Dior one that I'm still wearing and loving. I'll leave a link as well if you haven't seen that unboxing video. But unfortunately, I wasn't able to get anything that I like in store, so I picked this up instead. It's such a big contrast in terms of pricing from a pair of sunglasses to fine jewelry. But I thought rather than getting something else that I really wasn't intending, or liking at all, I wanted to purchase something that I wanted to get anyway. And I've been eyeing these fine jewelry from Chanel for a while and just hesitating because it is very pricey, and just waiting for the right opportunity when I'm ready to purchase. It's been on my mind for most of the year, to be honest, but I just kind of didn't feel it was the right timing. And then Christmas came. I was very happy going out with my family before the holidays. I finally had Christmas off this year. I have to say I probably worked like in my job, in my field, for like more than 10 years, and I've never had Christmas public holidays off. Firstly, when I'm actually not needing to work over Christmas or New Year. So it was a very joyful time for me and a good break from my work. So I decided to splurge and pick up something. Here it is the Coco Crush necklace. Now, I tried a few other necklaces, and to be honest, I had this one as well as the other Camellia style in mind to try in store. And I ended up deciding on this one because the Camellia one, I'll leave a photo up there so that you guys know which one I'm talking about. The Camellia one, I find it's a bit, I don't like how the weight is less than the the Coco Crush necklace charm, and the charm doesn't move on the chain, which I'm just worried that it will just kind of become wonked when I sort of wear it and move it around. I don't know. It just doesn't feel as flexible. It feels a bit rigid. Yet at the same time, in real life, it just doesn't have the same. I guess I was expecting it to feel a bit more special in real life, but I have to say the picture online actually gave feels more special than the actual real thing. Whereas the Coco Crush, on the contrary, I actually thought that it was quite, wasn't anything special on the picture, but then in real life, it was actually, yeah, I just fell in love with it. The necklace have 3 rings that you can tie the clasps to, so that it comes in different lengths. So versatile, you can use it to stack with other necklace, although I don't like really to stack my necklaces. But when you wear different collar, I like to have different length that matches, proportion wise to what I'm wearing. So having those options really help with the versatility of the necklace. Now, when you look at the style of the necklace, I actually initially thought from the photo that the ring can actually come out. And so, girl maths here, I was thinking, well, I could then use the chain, the gold chain, on its own or with other charms. But unfortunately, the Coco Crush ring smaller than the hoop is it's smaller than the clasp, or the other side of the chain. So basically, yeah, it doesn't fall out. Like, you can't actually remove the ring from the necklace and wear it separately, which is a bit of a shame, because I was thinking, yeah, the chain itself, it's something that I could use to pair with other, gold pendants, or even like the holiday packaging charm. It would be nice to, thread that through using the Chanel chain, and then you could, make a Chanel necklace. But no, they don't allow that, which is a bit of a shame. But regardless, I'm very happy with this purchase. And that's it from me today. And I hope you all had a lovely Christmas and New Year, and that we would all have a better year in 2025. Bye.